Musa Mseleku took his kids to celebrate his birthday. So Musa Mseleku want to introduce his daughter Metuli. Mawande called her mother Mangwawe about Metuli. Mangwawe got angry. Maybe Mangwawe was expecting that Musa Mseleku have to call other kids expecting Metuli. So it was not fair. Metuli was supposed to be there to celebrate her father's birthday because it's Msamseleku's child. So Msamseleku was supposed to tell Mangwawe and Makumalo what he is going to do at his birthday. So Mangwawe and Makumalo, they are thinking those kids, they are going to celebrate their father's birthday. Mpilo and Mawande, they are telling their mother. So Mawande said on diaries, I was supposed to tell my mother what's going on, like Musamseleku, everything. He is telling his mother Ugogo Flo. I think Mawande was right because Musamseleku doesn't expect that Mawande can keep quiet. Those kids, they are supposed to tell their mother what's going to be happen. So sometimes we can judge that girl that Mawande want to be too forward. Mawande doesn't take any sides. Mawande takes her mother's side and take Musamseleku's side. We saw Mawande on Utano Nestembo and Kat. Mawande was on Musamseleku's side. She had a conversation with her mother Mangwawe that you are the wife number 4. Why you decide to divorce my father? Mawande was with Musamseleku's side. It's not about Mawande hate Musamseleku or what. No. Mawande doesn't have a problem on that. But Mawande was supposed to update her mother Mangwabe like Mpilo, what she did. Mpilo was not supposed to carry that child, and it is going to be a problem with Makumalo. I think Mpilo was right. Those kids, guys, they know what they are doing. It's not about it's their fault, what, because they are not getting along with Makwela and Makumalo, they are not getting along. Tomorrow we are blaming Mpilo that Mpilo is choosing Musamseleku over Makumalo. So what they did in Mpilo and Mawande to update their mother, I think they were right. Musamseleku can upset and he says, why Mangwabe is upset on me, but we accept yes son what. Musamseleku saw Mangwabe with yes son and he said he loved ye. So sometimes to talk too much things in front of his kids, I think it doesn't make any sense. So Mawande, what she did, it was right to update her mother that Musamseleku have got another child, Metule. I think that there is nothing wrong to update your mother, like what he is doing to Ugogo Flo. Musamseleku tells everything to Ugogo Flo. Why Mawande can't update her mother everything about what's going on? So it was not wrong. Mangwabe, what she is done, she was wrong, Mangwabe, to get upset. But Mawande, there is nothing wrong she did. Mawande can talk both sides. Mawande loves her family, her mother and her father, to being together. It's not about she is taking sides. Mawande is the reason why Mangwawe is still on that marriage, because Mawande was crying. We saw her. She was crying because Mangwawe was serious on that issue to divorce. Mawande had a conversation and says, don't leave because you are the wife number 4. Mawande have got a mindset that Macele, Mayeni, they accept her mother. Why my mother doesn't want to accept Makwela? It's not about Mawande have a problem with Makwela. The problem is her mother. If Mangwabe accept Makwela, I don't think that those kids, they have got a problem with Makwela, because they understand that their mother are the wife number 3, number 4. So they understand that her father Msamseleko is the polygamist. It's not a secret or what, but she is going to accept that child because it was the first time. They are going to accept when they are spend time together. Guys, there is no need that Musamseleko can spend his birthday with his 10 kids and accept Methuli, that Methuli was not supposed to be there. No, it was wrong what I saw. Musamseleku was right to take that child and spend, because Musamseleku was supposed to introduce that child no matter what, because there is no need. He was celebrating his birthday with his kids, so there is no need to choose other child.